I'm trying not to curse right now. And I guess we'll empty this again, even though there's nothing in it. Okay, I'm going to thank everyone who sent an auto. I like her outfit. It's cute. My voice feels like so gross today because I just woke up. It's never a good idea for me to record in the morning, but that's like the only time I get to do it, so. Oh, I can't believe I'm almost at level 100. That is crazy. Who is texting me? Oh, it's my cousins. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Why did they just say Donald Trump and a bunch of emojis? Okay, so I'm still on the second page. They're still going. They are still spamming the chat. What does it say? Yes! Oh my god, they just said, we are probably making one of our family members super annoyed right now. Yes, you are, and that family member is me. I wonder what achievements I have left to earn. Yeah, okay, I'm never doing this. I am never going to get this one. I'd have to, you know what, I don't want to do the math, but that would be how many more games I'd have to play? 374? Has anyone ever gotten 10,000 loves on their designs? I've never seen that before. I could do this. This is sad. I never get any likes on my looks. Everyone go like my looks. Wow, so okay, how many do I have left? I have like 1, 2, 3.